You'll need one set of thermoform or boil and bite whitening trays, something to boil some water in, and a pair of scissors. First, you're going to boil some water. Then, remove the water from the heat. Hold one tray by the tab and immerse it into the hot water for about 5 seconds. As soon as the tray starts to wilt, remove it from the water. Making sure the sides of the tray do not fold over, position the tray over your upper teeth and bite down. Don't worry, it won't hurt. Use your fingers to press the tray firmly against the front of your teeth while your tongue presses the tray. You should see an impression of your teeth in the front part of the tray. Using a pair of scissors, trim the tray around the gum line. And cut off the tab. Repeat the entire process for the bottom row of teeth. Now you're ready to start whitening your teeth.